Hello everyone, welcome back to another session on the channel. Today we'll be going to install Terraform on Linux machines basically. Today I will give you a demo on how to install Terraform on Linux machines. Basically, I already have an Azure platform. I will create a Linux machine over there. Inside that Linux machine, we'll log in and we will install Terraform in it. I don't have much of PPT to show today. We'll straight away get on with the demo. And for the Linux machine flavor, we'll be using Ubuntu version 18. And yeah, so this is my command prompt. First, let's quickly create a Linux VM using CLI. So I will use this. I am already logged into my uh, portal, Azure portal, using my AZ login basically. So yeah, this is the command azvm create. My resource group is test.rg. Name I have given as my VM. Image I have chosen to as Ubuntu. Admin username is Azure user, and I have given a clause as generate SSH keys. This the command will automatically generate SSH keys and put it into my local machine. So let's hit enter. So it's running. Let's wait for 2 minutes. So it's created. Let's quickly do an azvm list table. So as you can see, my VM is created. I have my IP address also, public IP address. So first let's check the portal once. This is my resource group. Inside this I have my VM. Everything looks good. Networking. I have my port also opened. Let's go back. Let's try to SSH into this. SSH Azure user. That's my username. And at the rate IP public IP address 13.27. Let's do yes. So we are logged in successfully. So I'll clear my screen first. Do an ls. So let's switch to home directory. This is our home directory. Now we are logged in as Azure user. Let's switch to root user first. So is the command. Here so we have switched to root user. Now let's do an ls. This is our structure. Now we'll install Terraform over here first. Sorry, let's do an update first on in this machine. Sudo apt get update. Updating my machine. Let's also install a few packages. First, we'll install wget wget sudo apt wget. Sorry about that. Let's do this. Sorry. So I'm installing unzip first. Okay. Let's clear the screen first. Now I will install wget. It's done. So it's okay. Now let's download Terraform. For this, the command is this one. Copy. Let's switch to usr local this directory first. We'll download it over here. Right click. So it's downloaded. Let's cd. Sorry. ls first. Now let's unzip this file. Unzip this folder. Zip Terraform. Yeah, inflating. Done. Let's do an ls again. So we have the Terraform package unzipped. So Terraform is installed basically. Now let's open an editor and I'll create a file called in.tf. So this file is created. Let's add few blocks into this quickly. Sorry. Yeah, let's add few blocks. I'll explain this quickly. Okay. So I've created main.tf file where I have given my provider location, provider block first, and then the next block which will create a resource group. I will quickly change some details. Just RG. This I'll give it as uh, demo RG. For saving, Control X. Yes, and enter. So quickly cat.tf. My file is saved, as you can see. Now, before doing anything, first, then again, let's Terraform, do a Terraform init. So Terraform is successfully initialized. Now, before doing anything else, let's first install Azure CLI also, which is required. For that, the command is quickly this one. So CLI is installed. Let's log into our subscription. Or let's log in. So it's asking me to sign in, use a web browser to open this page and enter this code for authentication. I will just do this. Basically asking for device login. Click on next. Okay, it says it's logged in. Let's close this. And yeah, so I'm logged in. It's clear. Now again into an ls easy. Now we have the main.tf file created. Let's do a Terraform plan directly. So as you can see, based on the code inside main.tf file, it's it's taking an action to create, and the resource which is going to create is test.rg. The location and everything is given. Let's now do a Terraform apply. I'll enter yes. So it's creating and it's created. So let's clear the screen first. It's AZ group list output table. So as you can see, I previously I had two resource groups, network RG and test RG. The new resource group demo RG using Terraform is created over here. So that's what it was there in the code. Now let's do a Terraform destroy. So destroy the resources which were created using Terraform script. Yes. It says it's destroyed. Let's list resource groups. As you can see, the demo RG which was from the Terraform, it is destroyed now. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do let me know your comments. And please share and subscribe.